5 people you should cut out of your life. Be careful with the last one. Number 1, the competitor. They might want to see you do well, but they surely don't want to see you do better than them. Number 2, the user. They will only love you as much as they can use you. As soon as you no longer give them what they want, they disappear. Number 3, the blamer. They make you feel guilty and never take responsibility. Their manipulation goes so far that you even start to believe you are to blame. Number 4, the complainer. They will steal your peace by complaining about the same things they aren't willing to change. Number 5, the abuser. They abuse your forgiveness, trust, and loyalty. They abuse everything you give them, and you will only realize it when they are no longer in your life. Think about that for a second. And remember, your well-being is important. Surround yourself with people who uplift you and bring positivity in your life. Don't be afraid to let go of those who drain your energy and hinder your growth. Your happiness and peace of mind are worth it. If you're not following, you will probably never hear my voice again. But if you are, congratulations, you're growing every day.
If you trust too much, you will be betrayed. If you love too much, you will be lost. If you think too much, you will be depressed. If you speak too much, you will lie. If you expect too much, you will be disappointed. If you care too much, you will be taken for granted. If you eat too much, you will be obese. If you spend too much, you will be poor. You will have no future. If you look too much, you will lose your focus. If you pursue life too much, you will lose everything. The morale is simple. Balance is the key to a fulfilling life. Too much of anything can lead to ruin, while moderation keeps you grounded.
It took me 10 years to learn this, but I will teach it to you in 1 minute. 1, life waits for nobody. Get up every day and keep pushing through no matter what. 2, make sure you take good care of yourself. If something happens to you, the world will move on and you will fall behind. 3, if you don't work to build your dream life, someone will hire you to build theirs. 4, work in silence. Celebrate in private. People love to ruin things. 5, don't regret your past. Just learn from it and move on. 6, no one cares. Work harder to become better each day. 7, ignore advice from anyone who doesn't live the life you want to live. 8, rule over your emotions. A calm mind can handle any situation. 9, if you find someone better than you, don't hate. Ask them for advice and cooperate with them. 10, you're truly at peace with yourself when you mind your own business.